Hello students. Now today we are going to study about the Colpit oscillator practical, okay, lab. In today's lab we will be seeing how to calculate the frequency by using Colpit oscillator, okay. So what is oscillator? Oscillator is a device which will generate the output in the form of AC sine wave without any AC input as long as the DC power supply is connected to it. Okay, so this experiment we will be dealing with kit. Already a constructed kit is there in our lab, and we will be dealing with CRO. Okay, directly we can connect. It is very easy, practical. So today we are going to see how this Colpit oscillator can generate the output frequencies. Okay, see, as we know that we will not get the output, we will get the output without any AC input. So what is our duty? We have to calculate the frequency of Colpit oscillator. So frequency, for calculating the frequency of Colpit oscillator, formula is F equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LCT. Okay, what is CT? Total capacitance. Total capacitance formula as per your theory, C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2. Okay, so here we will be dealing with total capacitance C1 by C2, C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. Then we have here in our kit. Now we will be using the kit for this Colpit oscillator. See, as per your theory, you are having the tank circuit. Tank circuit down. Tank circuit means what? In your theory, we have drawn the tank circuit in this way. Okay, two capacitors, one inductor, okay, variable capacitor, like that. But here what we have done, just we have make it in 90 degrees clockwise, like this I have drawn. On the kit we have connected in this way. You can see the tank circuit on the kit. Okay, this is tank circuit, inductor, capacitor 0.01, and this capacitor value you can change to variable capacitor 0.01, 0.0022 microfarad, 0.003 microfarad. Okay, three capacitors value you can change. This is C1 and this is C2. Okay, two capacitors na, C1 and C2. In theory simply we have drawn in this way. Okay, but in practical simply I have reversed it and I have kept it in this form. Okay, inductor, two capacitors, C1 and second capacitor is C2. In practical I am keeping this value as constant 0.01 microfarad, whereas in this value I will be changing for three values. This will be three values: 0.001 microfarad, 0.0022 microfarad, 0.0033 microfarads. Okay, we can change the capacitor values. Now why we will change these values? To change the frequencies. Okay, for changing the frequencies. Okay, now for changing the frequency, inductor is constant, capacitor this value is constant, this value we are varying. Okay, this value can be either one of these three. Okay, now before doing the practical you should calculate the theoretical frequency and practical frequency you have to verify. For calculating the theoretical frequency, you have to construct the tabular form. Capacitor 0.01, 0.001. Okay, here 0.01 and one first capacitor I am taking this 0.001 microfarad. Okay, then second I am taking this C1 is constant 0.01, 0.0022, 0.01, 0.0033. So I am changing this value, this and this. Then inductor is constant. Okay, inductor is what? 5 millihenries. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, then now we will calculate theoretical value. How? By substituting the value of inductor and capacitor in the formula, in the particular formula. Okay, in this formula we will substitute and we will calculate. in this theoretical formula. In this theoretical formula we will substitute and we will calculate the value. So like this I have substituted the values of C1 and C2 and inductor. After substituting in this formula 2 pi value is 3.14, root of this whole thing, inductor, capacitor value, total capacitance value, we got this by using the formula C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2, both the capacitors. Okay, then we will get theoretical frequency this. Now at this combination where C2 is changing for 0.0022, you will get the frequency this theoretical frequency. Then again you will get the change the capacitor value, you will get the theoretical frequency this. Okay, this is your theoretical frequency for 3 combinations. This is the 3 combination 1 2 3. Okay, now same theoretical frequency we have written here. Okay, now we have to verify whether we are getting the practical frequency compared to this or not. We should get nearby values, okay, for practical. So for calculating the practical frequency you should know the operation of CRO. That is very important. Okay, so for knowing the operation of CRO, once you look here, what is this CRO consist of? Okay, Akash, this is nothing but your CRO consists of 2 channels, channel 1, channel 2. Okay, it consists of 2 channels, channel 1, channel 2. Now if I want to close channel 1, I will press this and I will close this channel 1. Nothing will be displayed. Yellow is channel 1. Channel 1 voltage variation is this. Channel 2 voltage variation is this. Okay, time period is same for channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, now if I want to open channel 2, I will press this. Channel 2 is open. Okay, channel 2 is now open. If I want to open channel 2, I will open this channel 2. Okay, then now channel 2 is on. Now if you want to connect channel 1, you should connect to this point only, probe. Okay, this is probe. And if you want for channel 2, you should remove this probe. You should connect on this position, blue, channel 1. Okay, now in this is a digital oscilloscope. Everything will be displayed automatically here. Okay, so you should press measure. In measure you can see the period, time period, peak to peak voltage, frequency. Again this is for channel 1, this is for channel 2. 2 channels now, so you will have 2 times 1 2 1 2 1 2, all the things are 2 times. Okay, so for measuring the everything you have to put this measure button. Okay, and if you want, and in this CRO you can also have the save position of this, and you can also have the hard copy of it. Hard copy means everything whatever you are doing you can save it and you can take it print out also. Okay, that is the main thing. Display means it will display all the things. Okay, vector, accumulator, reset, contrast, these all settings. Okay, if you want to set this, you can press this plain screen. No, you don't want plain, you don't want this, you want this. Okay, so one box will be of, one box is of 1 year, like 5 units. 1 2 3 4, 4 means 5 units. Okay, 0. 0.2 0.2 0.4 0.6 0.8, one box. Okay, like that, one unit. One box is in 1 unit. It depends on the probe. In one box how many units you are taking. This probe is having what? This probe is having, wait, this probe is having what? Probe is having like 1 means x1 means it is 1 unit, 10 means 2 units, 10 units. Okay, so here you can arrange the x1 means like your one unit will be in one box will be 1, and if you will take 10 means this box will be indicating 10 unit. One box will be like 10 units. Okay, so it will be like 2 4 5 2 4 8, like that it will get 2 4 6 8. If you are taking it in 10 axis button, it is there. Okay, but we want this. Okay, it will be like this. X means 1. Now we have one. Now we will be connecting. Now we want only measure means we can measure in the frequency time period. In frequency oscillator means you can generate the output in the form of sine wave. Time period you will measure, and you will measure frequency. Frequency is reciprocal of time period. Okay, then now I will be connecting this Colpit oscillator kit to your CROs, and we will be generating the practical value. So now we will connect the Colpit oscillator kit to our CRO, and we will measure the practical frequencies. Theoretical frequencies just now you have seen. We got theoretical frequency by using the formula. Okay, in this we have substituted the total. C1 C2 is nothing but this is C1, this is C2. C2 will be changing in different 3 values. So these 3 values we will be having. Then we will substitute in the formula, theoretical formula, F equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LCT. After substituting, we will get, for first combination we will get the frequency 75. Okay, 75.06 kilohertz, second 53, and third 45. So now we will be connecting the only simple experiment. It is simply you have to, this C1 will be constant, simply you have to connect C2. Okay, this C2 value we have to connect here. Okay, now I have connected this capacitor C2. Okay, C1, this combination. On this combination I will calculate the output by connecting the CRO probe to this. Okay, by connecting the CRO to this, I will connect this to this. No ma'am, do permani this, and now I will on this kit and I will see the observe the output on the CRO. Okay, it is on channel 1. I want channel 1. I will open channel 1. Okay, by pressing this. Then I will press measure and I will get the different things. Now I will on the kit. Okay, as I have on the kit, this is auto adjust part. Automatically the waveform will be adjusted. Okay, now it is adjusted. We got the output waveform. Okay, we got output in the form of sine wave. Now what is the total frequency? You got 71.6, 71 point, see the frequency 71. You got the frequency, practical frequency as 71.74 kilohertz. Okay, by connecting first capacitor, and theoretical frequency we got 75. So approximately it is nearby. Now what I will do, I will calculate the frequency on second capacitor. I will take these wires and I will connect on this combination. Then I will take this wire and I will connect on this combination. Okay, now I have connected the second combination of the capacitor. Now I will open the kit. Okay, again I will do auto adjust. Now directly I got the frequency 51.976 kilohertz. You can see the theoretical frequency is 53.03 kilohertz, practical is 52 points something. So it is nearby. Okay, on second capacitor combination. Now we will go for third capacitor combination. see, on third combination I have connected now this last combination capacitor. So on last combination I got which value? I got 45.20 kilohertz. I will open this kit. Okay, I will get the output now. Auto adjust means it will adjust automatically. After adjusting we will measure this. So we got here 45.29 kilohertz. Okay, that is nothing but your practical value. By this we have completed our Colpit oscillator experiment. So simply what you have to change the three combinations and you have to calculate the values. Thank you.